Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we test trending products so you don't waste your money. Today's target? The Vital Breeze AC, a portable air cooler that claims to keep you chill for cheap. But is it really worth your cash? Or just another plastic gimmick? Let's break it down. Vital Breeze AC promises fast cooling, ultra portability, and energy efficiency, all packed into a small cube that supposedly works like a full-size air conditioner. The price? Around $50 to $70 depending on the promo. Sounds like a great deal, but let's take a closer look at what you're really getting. We ordered one and tested it. Out of the box, it's a basic plastic device with a small water tank and USB-powered fan. The build quality? Honestly, it feels cheap, definitely not premium. It has simple controls, a few fan settings, and the option to add water or ice for cooling. But does it actually work? We tested it in a small room, and here's the truth. Yes, it does blow cool air, but only within a short range. If you sit directly in front of it, it feels decent, but don't expect it to cool down a room. It's basically a mini desk fan with a water sponge. Once the water dries up, so does the cooling. Vital Breeze AC isn't exactly a scam. It works to some degree, but the way it's marketed is very misleading. It's not an air conditioner, and it won't replace one. If you want light personal cooling at your desk, it might be okay. But for real heat relief, this won't cut it. Our verdict? Not worth it for most people. You're paying for flashy marketing, not real performance. Save your money for a reliable fan or a portable AC that actually cools. And always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Have you tried the Vital Breeze AC or something similar? Drop your honest review in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more no BS reviews and scam alerts. The Online Scam Advisor, helping you avoid digital disappointment, one product at a time. Thank you.